Everyone's talking about AI, and everyone's promising that it's going to replace jobs, change the industry, and rewrite the world. But what no one is telling you is how you can earn from this wave that's coming on. Not in theory, not in VC funding, but exactly you sitting at home and how you can make money. Maybe with nothing but a laptop and some time. In this video, I'm not going to give you any recycled ideas like build your own AI chatbot or build your own AI SaaS. That's not helpful. Instead, I'm going to share 7 different groundbreaking ways to make money in 2025 with AI. These are strategies where I've seen people make money with no code, no VC funding, no fancy degree, just purely using the AI tools that are already available to you. So let's begin. Let's start with the one that almost everyone misunderstands: AI content strategy. Not AI content creation, but strategy. Right now, thousands and thousands of small brands, consultants, creators are trying to create content on LinkedIn, on Instagram, and basically every social media platform. They're even trying to start their own blogs, emails, and newsletters. And let's just say they're not doing it at their best potential, and that's your opportunity. If you can use tools like ChatGPT and Gemini to not only ideate, outline, and draft your entire content, but also to give it structure and your own voice, add in some hooks and pacing, well then you're not just a writer. You actually become the brain behind their entire content. Their online presence is now dependent on you, and it's not just going to be a one-time gig. If your personal touch is actually good, well then your clients are going to want you back week after week and basically want you to just think about their brand 24/7. In 2025, content doesn't just need to be created, it actually needs to be directed as well. And AI can give you the ingredients, but you're going to be the chef behind all of this. Now, once the content is created, what happens next? People, of course, need to find it, which is why AI-powered SEO and backlink outreach is so much more important than ever before. The old school model of digital PR, where you're essentially paying thousands and thousands of dollars just to get a mention, that's basically dying now. Instead, what's working is intelligent AI-driven outreach. You need to find websites that are linking your clients' competitors, and then use ChatGPT or Gemini to create a hyper-personalized message to these clients. You basically now need to explain why your client's content or product is much more updated than their competitors. You want to explain how it's relevant, how it's useful, and why it works. This strategy really works because AI is basically helping you research, write, and outreach to clients. What used to take hours is now just going to take minutes. And if you can deliver even 10 high-quality backlinks to your client every month, that's thousands of dollars of perceived value. For basically work that almost cost you nothing, this is a gold mine. Design is also going through a similar transformation, and I'm not talking about graphic designers. I'm talking about becoming an AI design strategist. Because here's the thing, businesses are using tools like Canva and Midjourney to create their content, but they don't have enough time to generate the prompts and actually experiment with the content they're creating. So if they're trying to experiment with different thumbnails, they're probably just generating one of them and not 5 of them to test out which one works the best. And you can be the one that actually does this. And not just because you know how to use the tool, but rather because you know what actually works. And of course, what looks good. You know how to look at conversions. You're going to be the person that gets someone to actually stop scrolling. Whether it's YouTube thumbnails or Instagram Reels or LinkedIn posts, it's not about creating AI content, but more so the engineering behind getting the user's attention. You'd be surprised at how many creators are actually spending thousands and thousands of dollars behind this exact strategy. Next up is something that is so simple yet so critical: AI-powered website builders. Every new business needs a site, but most business owners still don't know where to start, and that's where you come in. You can use tools like Love Lovable or Bold to create the actual website. Use tools like ChatGPT and Gemini to actually create the code or the prompts that you're going to be using for these other tools. And then use tools like Canva or Midjourney to create the graphics that are going to go on this website. And within 2 to 3 days, you'll have a fully functioning website. And with this, you didn't even have to touch a single line of code. You're not a developer, but you're someone that knows how to use the AI tools correctly. Offer this website as a flat package rate, maybe $500, $1,000, and the clients will be more than happy to pay this to you. And you can even charge more if you actually add SEO or page setups and logins for the clients. The most valuable real estate in 2025 isn't physical, it's digital. And you basically just became the architect. Now let's go a little deeper. Let's talk about building AI agents for businesses. Not building new AI, but rather just setting up the AI agents that already exist and using the AI tools that are available to you. Right now, tools like Zapier, Make.com, NAN provide you a no-code, visually appealing platform for you to create these AI agents. You can create very smart workflows, auto responses, and chatbots for these businesses. Something that will probably take you at max a single day, but businesses don't even know where to start with this. Now remember that these businesses are not just looking for simple answers like, hi, how can I help you? They want agents that actually qualifies leads and actually is able to answer complex questions. It should be able to remember previous customer interactions as well. And trust me, if you've mastered building these agents out correctly, businesses will genuinely pay for this, and they'll pay so much money because it really saves them time, closes their deals, and actually feels futuristic to the clients they're serving. Again, you don't need to be technical, you just need to know what the problem is exactly and then use the tools available to you to connect them all together. Still with me? Let's shift gears into something that is so important: education. It is now one of the most in-demand sectors because of AI. Parents and students are desperate for personalized learning, but one-on-one tutoring sessions are absolutely expensive, and generalized courses are, well, just too generic and doesn't really have a great conversion or completion rate. This is where you come in to become the learning architect. Using AI, you can create hyper-personalized tutoring programs as well as smart courses. You can use ChatGPT to design a custom curriculum for the student that you're serving. Use AI voice or AI video tools to create a very engagement curriculum, and then set up AI-powered quizzes that adapts to the student's answers. You're not just providing information here, but you're actually tailoring an entire package, an entire curriculum that is going to be super helpful for the students. Package this for high-ticket clients like universities, colleges, and different schools, or you can just sell this as an entire package like a curriculum or a course. And you can do this at scale because you can use AI to create content and actually sell these courses. Now you're not just a teacher, but you're the future of education. Now for the most powerful one, the AI automation agency. This is where you step out of the freelancer mindset and into the business mindset. Companies today are drowning in tools. They've got CRMs, email marketing platforms, Slacks, messages, and so many other tools that are all, well, disconnected. If you walk in and then understand their workflow and then say something like, what if I can set up a system where the user just simply sends their emails, fills out a form, and then they automatically get added to the CRM, get added to your backend, and then is able to get an introductory video without you doing anything, these businesses will listen and they will pay you, and they will also refer you. You're not offering a service, you're rather offering clarity. And in 2025, clarity is very rare. And if you pick out one specific vertical, such as fitness coaches, agency owners, or course creators, and then go deep into this workflow, understand it, and then build out these systems, you're going to be in a very good position. You will truly stand out into the market. So what should you do now? Don't try to do all 7. Pick something that you're actually good at, or something that fits your current set of skills. If you're good at writing, start with content creation or YouTube. If you're good with visuals, then maybe designing website is up your alley. And if you're analytical or system focused, well then creating agents and creating workflows is what you need to do. Don't overthink all this, just start. Run an audit, do one free project, and get results. And then package this outcome and then pitch it to 3 other people. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to partner with you, but only if you know how to use the correct tools and how to move along with it. You need to start building today. So stop waiting for the perfect idea. Rewatch this video and pick out your move, and I'll see you on the other side. If you want more deep dives like this, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and let me know in the comments what type of video you want to see next. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!